Hey y'all, welcome back to Tax Problem Solved. I'm your host, Deltrease Hart-Anderson, and you're listening to a brand new series I call Stop IRS Letters. Every year, the IRS sends out over 200 million letters, and you know what most people do when they see that envelope. They panic or they toss it aside. Others will put it in a drawer and pretend it didn't even come to their mailbox. And a few immediately assume the IRS is about to show up at their door with handcuffs. So here's the thing. The truth is, the IRS letters are not death sentences. They are notices. They are communications. They are instructions. They are warnings sometimes, yes, but they're also opportunities to fix things before they get worse. So that is what this series is all about. Each day this week, and I'll probably throw in some bonus days that will bleed into next week, I'll break down one letter that explains what that letter really is, why it matters, and exactly what steps you should take when you see it in your mailbox. So let's start here. The IRS sends letters just for a few basic reasons. They want to tell you about a change or an adjustment. They want more information from you. They think something doesn't match up to what you reported, or the one everyone hates, they're asking for money. But no matter the reason, here are 5 steps you should take with any letter. The first step is don't panic. The language, yes, sometimes it is scary, but it's scary for a reason. That doesn't mean that you are going to jail. The IRS doesn't want to put you in jail. The IRS doesn't want to tap into your bank account. They don't want to tap into your pocketbook, your wallet, your paycheck. They will, but they don't want to. So don't panic, okay? Step 2, read the letter. Read it carefully. Look at the notice number in the top right corner. That's going to tell you what the letter is all about. That is going to tell you whether the house is on fire or whether you have some time, okay? But do whatever you have to do. Read the letter carefully. If you cannot read the letter or if you can't understand it, it's no big deal. Get somebody to help you do so, all right? Step number 3, check the deadline. Most IRS letters will give you like 30 days to respond. But if you miss a date, missing that date is what gets people in deeper trouble, okay? If you miss that date, a whole lot of things could go wrong really, really quickly. Step number 4, gather your records. Pull your tax returns, pull your transcripts, get those W-2s, those 1099s, and any other documents related to the year in question. Business owners, real estate investors, get your profit and loss statements, get your balance sheets. You may need those. Gather all the records. You may have to pull a bunch of receipts. It's okay, but gather all of the documents for the year in question. And step number 5, get you some help. Get you some expert help. This is where professionals like me step in. I handle these letters every day. Oh my gosh, even though it is a government shutdown, I talk to the IRS Monday through Friday. I try not to talk to them all the time, but I have to, okay? As slow as they are, as hard as they are to get on the phone, I have to talk to the IRS. But get you some expert help, someone that's going to know which letters are urgent, which letters can wait, and more importantly, how to respond in a way that's going to keep you protected. Okay? So Here's the first action step. Don't ignore the letter. Open it, identify the notice number, and know that you have options. Now, if you want to go deeper, I've created a free guide called the IRS Letter Survival Guide. You can download it at stopirsletters.com, and it will walk you through the 5 steps I just shared with you, plus a plain English breakdown of the most common letters you'll see. We're going to talk about these letters during the Stop IRS Letters series, okay? But if you can't wait for that, go ahead and download the Survival Guide. That's all I have for you today, guys. Join me next time as we break down the CP2000 notice. This is the underreporter income notice, and I'll show you why it's not the end of the world if the IRS says you forgot to report something, okay? Until next time, don't panic, take action. I'm Deltrease Hart-Anderson, keeping the IRS out of the pocketbooks, wallets, and bank accounts of taxpayers. If you have a letter, submit it at stopirsletters.com and solve your tax problems for good. Take care, y'all.